So there is another quick way to see your indexed pages. You just need to follow this structure. You need to write site colon, then put your website here and click on enter, and after entering you will see that for this particular website 245 links have been indexed on Google. So this can be seen on Google Search Console as well, and this is the quick and shortcut way of checking out your index pages on Google. So let's move on to another common factor that is necessary for on-page SEO, and it is building perfect website structure. So site structure is one of the things you should think about even before the launch of your website, because it can be difficult to edit it afterwards. So when you are launching your website, you need to understand your concept, your objective, and you need to structure your website well. So if your website has few pages, then it will be slightly easy to re-edit. But if your website have a lot of pages, it will be horrible situation for you to re-edit all the pages. So, and this is not recommended when you are doing on-page SEO. So you have to understand this concept that website structure has to be well researched, and after your research, you just need to apply the right website structure. So what are the benefits of good structure? It helps you to make the website more crawler friendly. If your structure of website is good, your website will become crawler friendly. It helps you to improve the user experience. So these are the benefits of good website structure. Structure should be in depth. When designing the website navigation, use the so-called 3-click rules. A user of your website should be able to find any information on your website with no more than 3 mouse clicks from the home page. So when the user or visitor is on the home page, you need to apply the 3-click rule. This is the website structural depth. The user have to access the page in 3 clicks, not more than that. So this is going to be very important when you are structuring your website. You have to go into the 3-click rules depth. So internal linking is another common aspect of on-page SEO. Internal links are a great way to keep the reader on your website. We discussed this terminology before in the beginner's guide. The internal links increase user interaction and bring added value by offering relevant resources or pages. When it comes to blog, a great way to use internal link is to follow the topic cluster model. So what is topic cluster model? We will be discussing it and we will be discussing the example. So let's move forward. There are 2 main types of content in the topic cluster model. One is the pillar content, a long form of post or page broadly covering all the topics, and cluster content supports blog posts explaining the subtopics in detail. So this is the main, you can say this is the broad term, and this is the subtopics term. So this is an example, topic cluster internal linking. So the blog is about running. So this is your website. Okay, this is your basically pillar content. Jogging guide is your pillar content, and jogging mistakes, treadmill jogging, jogging shoes, jogging benefits, jogging types, these are the cluster content, the subtopics. So when it comes to blog, a great way to use internal linking is to follow the topic cluster model. If you're writing a blog on jogging mistakes, you can refer an internal link it with the jogging types, and when you are in the jogging type blog area, you can refer to jogging benefits. So this is how topic cluster internal linking works, and it creates a lot of value.